Raise your hand if you could describe to me what you think a reflection is going to mean.
Oh, like flipping it upside down and then like boom, and then
like boom. Okay, so Ollie said like flipping it upside down. Logan, what did you want to add to that?
Yeah, it's pretty much like the symmetry.
Like some symmetry. Okay, so question. What happens when you use your phone to take a selfie? How does it appear? It flips it backwards. Okay, Brooke?
that was my boom, by the way.
So we're not working with equations. We're just working with something in the graph. Okay?
That was my boom, by the way. So.
Yes.
That was my boom.
That was your boom. Got it. All right. So, a reflection, when we're talking about in the coordinate plane, is one of our transformation. We're going to say that uses a line like a mirror or a selfie camera to reflect. This is going to be one of our rigid transformations because it's not going to change the shape or size of our original image. Okay? Or pre-image, excuse me. Perfect, thank you. All right, Alex, we're on page 99, okay? Okay. Okay, now the line of reflection is what we are going to consider as the mirror. Now, because we have big math muscles, we are going to reflect over all sorts of lines. Now, what I want you to do while keeping your student journal open, because we're going to come back to it, I would like you to go to page 4 in your, yeah. Wait, what? A rematch?
There's still some things left over.
Let's do this every test.
Okay. Every test, I'll go broke.
Every test.
All right. What I would like you to do. With your arms, show me how we would graph the line x equals -1. I'm seeing this.
Let me do this. No, it's this.
It is this. Everyone draw a line at x equals -1. Okay, in number 2, everybody, well, I guess you wouldn't need to. I'm going to highlight the x-axis. Maybe you want to also. Okay, that's just not going to work. All right, and then highlight in number 3 the y-axis. Okay, so I'm going to give you a moment to, at your tables, with your elbow partner, plot the points you think are the image for each of the 3. Do not go to 4. Only go 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. Okay. If we flip over the mirror, where would the new point be?
On the ground.
Yeah, go for it.
I think I found it.
There.
Sideways or
So I would plot the first point and then make it a mirror over.
I think I did it.
Hey, If you're gonna dish it, be able to take it.
What?
Ooh,
What happened? What I did?
So much.
If it's a triangle, draw the triangle.
Actually, hush up, bro.
If it's dots, just put dots.
Yeah, hush up.
Did you see that on Jimmy Fallon last night?
I actually don't watch Jimmy Fallon.
Big Justice.
Yeah, Big Justice.
He was on Jimmy Fallon last night.
He was. Hi guys.
Did anyone else see that kid wearing the shirt that
No.
said
What?
Rizzler? There was a kid in the, there was a
Kyson?
7th grader in the hallway.
Kyson, what is it?
Kyson Ashley.
Yeah, it was like Twizzlers and then it was like Rizzlers.
Yeah, Kyson.
That was
Kyson has an exact same hoodie.
Does he?
Yeah.
It was in a hoodie, it was a t-shirt, but some 7th grader was wearing it, yeah.
I wonder how much Kyson misses Sebastian.
A lot, probably.
Who's his only friend?
Seabass.
Well, with those who know.
Ollie.
Oh, Sebastian?
Dude, it's like I can't focus if I'm sitting down long.
The KKK?
What?
What?
Cool Kids Club.
Let's not. Okay. Everyone back on track here. Derek, where did you plot the image for number 1? Okay, I'll come back to you then. Avery. Okay, you right there?
Yeah.
Okay, Ollie, can you describe how Avery got there?
Dude, so like basically like this. So from the line it's 4 over, so then you go like 4 over from this line. At least that's how I did it.
So you went 4 over.
Yeah, kind of.
So then 1, 2, 3, 4. You went 4 that way.
Yeah, and then it's just on that line, so you don't go up or down.
Okay, do you agree with that explanation that he counted to the line and then counted the other way? No?
Yes. I don't know.
Okay.
That's not.
Logan?
Huh?
Yes, you're good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Derek. How did you do number 2? Okay, hold on. You said that since C is on the line, it stays the same. Okay? So you counted like this. So since B is 4 away, you counted 4 away, like that. And then we connect them because if they're connected originally, we want to keep them connected.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how Derek did it. Is that how you did it?
Yeah.
I like this. Okay. All right, so then, now this one is weird because I asked you to reflect across the y-axis, but isn't the y-axis going through?
Yes, ma'am.
Micah, is that okay?
Yes, because you still reflect the points across from it. It doesn't change it. Like if there weren't the lines, you could still, you would still be able to see how it works.
Okay, so how far away is A from our line of reflection?
3.
It's 3 away, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. There's my new A.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, how far away is B?
It's 4.
You know what I'm going to do? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the new B is here, right? How far away is C?
1.
So we got to go 1 the other side.
Oh, that's a fly on my pay. I thought that was a
That's what I was trying to get earlier. I'm trying to
There's- I
That
thought it
makes
was a
more
piece-
sense.
I thought it was a piece of lettuce, but
Did you like,
it's a fly.
I'm Mr. Miyagi.
You talking about Mr. Miyagi? Mr. Miyagi.
Mr. Miyagi. Mr. Ogden.
No. Mr. Miyagi? All right. Could you please plot the coordinates 3, 4? And you know what? I know that your algebra teacher did a great job teaching you algebra. And there's no way that you forgot how to graph the line y equals negative x.
Oh yeah, I quit.
Diagonal.
I forget everything.
What'd you say, Conway?
It's a diagonal.
Diagonal which way?
The negative ones would be like that way.
Oh, he said it's a diagonal the negative way. So 0, 0 is the y-intercept, and our slope is -1.
Holy smokes.
Holy slopes.
Oh, good one. Good one.
That was great.
That was a good one, Ollie.
Ollie, you literally just made my day. Okay. I know, it was so funny. Okay. Now we're serious. Oh, that kind of works. I don't. How am I going to reflect off of this one?
You use it and you go like.
It's like you make it by the slope of
Okay. You are right. Okay, now I know that there are some rules that I can give you that I can say, do this to the x coordinate, do this to the y coordinate. This is what I'm going to have you do, okay? I know that some of you can just see it. I know that, okay? We are going to still count our distance, but we need to count our distance to bounce off of along the grid line. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to bounce, and then I'm going to go which way?
Down.
Here is P prime.
Whoa.
Yes, because this is at -4, -3. The x and y have to switch because we're bouncing off of that line.
Oh wait, now.
Ding, ding, ding.
Miss, do I have to do
Oh wait, I don't even.
Okay. Augie asked a question. Augie asked, do I have to draw the line, or am I going to just know where this goes? Every time I want you to draw the line of reflection, even if you can see it without it. Because part of what I need to know is that you know where the line of reflection is.
Yes, coach.
Okay. Could you please draw the line of reflection for number 5? Y equals X. Like normal, like...
Holy smokes, man.
What? I see a flag.
Where'd it go?
It's still diagonal, but what kind of diagonal? It is positive and optimistic about life.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a moment. Could you make sure it goes to the origin, my dear? Okay. Does your line look like my blue line?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you need rulers to help you on your assignment, we can make that happen. What I want you to do is plot where you think in pencil, because we might be wrong and that's okay, plot where you think these A, B, and C points are going to reflect to.
I don't know how to do this. What the heck?
Okay, well, how did we do it in example 4? Apply that to example 5.
Now we go up instead of down.
It's not supposed to be comfortable because we haven't done many of them. I'm trying to make you think without me for a moment. What's up?
Number 6, do you want the translation to be first?
Yep, I need you to do it in the order it says.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. And then Alex, I want you to think about whether you would be participating in the dark day tomorrow or if that would be too much for you. Okay? And you don't have to decide right now, but I just need you to kind of be thinking about that. So I know whether it's something or it's a child's office. Okay?
I'll keep those on fly by you.
Right, right. So if it's too loud, then we'll just do something in the hallway. Okay. All right. So do we have a coordinate on the line?
Yeah.
What? Okay, so B prime is going to be the same as B. Do you agree? Yeah. Okay. So now, Daniel, where did you put C? Huh? 0, 1. Okay, you put it here. Okay, so if we look at C, we could, if it's 1 away from our line, so we got to bounce and go the other way 1. Okay? A, how far away is it from our line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we got to bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what did you say, Conway? What do you mean up? How do you go up? You went down first? Yeah. Okay. So So Conway is saying from A he went down the 8. Okay. Oops. What's up?
Like you could, if it's a positive 0, since you know A is like up 5 and over 3, and then you just go down 5 now. Okay, right. Like do the opposite. This goes up 3 left, or up 5 right, left 3 what you know.
Yes. Yes. No. Okay, could you do me a favor? Could you plot A, B, and C for example 6? Please plot A, B, and C.
Yes, you gotta admit, that was pretty fun. No. It was.
Are you gonna plot these or just like watch me? Okay. She's just so excited for your game today. You just can't focus on anything else. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna hit double digits or points? Maybe. Okay. You think. Okay. Now, do you see how in this problem you have a translation and a reflection?
Don't tell me you have that in homework.
Oh my goodness, you have to do 2 things. Does it matter the order in which you do them?
No, yes.
You should probably do them in the order they tell you to. So it looks like the translation is first. Conway, what do we need to do with our triangle? Move it how many where?
Left 12.
We need to go left 12. Do we have to go up and down any? No. Okay, so everybody, let's count 12.
Dude, it's off the page. It's off the thing.
Only 1 point. No, it's not.
You said
Only 1 point.
No.
It goes off the bin. That's not it.
It only goes off if you make it go off. I'm gonna mix it. What kind of inspiration?
If we would win,
Hey.
Okay. It is okay. We will live with 1 point off of the grid. Okay.
It only goes off if you make it go off.
Hey, you're not even making sense. Okay. Now, after we do the translation, now we have an x-axis reflection. So now we need to take each of these coordinates and reflect them. So I'm going to call this B double prime, C double prime, A double prime.
Did I get that right?
Now, we have one last thing to talk about. I need you to go back to your student journal that I told you to leave open.
I did leave it.
Okay? Okay. What we just did was a glide reflection. We just did a glide reflection where we did a translation, then a reflection. Okay?
Nice.
Now, one last thing. Line. Oops. I don't even know how to. Line symmetry. I'm going to try really, really hard to draw a picture. It's going to be.
I got this.
Oh, you missed. You messed up. The bottom right one's too small.
Okay, it's not perfect.
It's better than mine.
Now, I want to know the line symmetry of a shape, which means I want to know how many reflections it has in its own shape. There's more than that. So I would say, here's one, right? Here's one. Here's one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's at the, I guess that one.
Yeah.
So there's 4 of them.